you want to increase the value of your home through renovations? I'm Greg Dewar, the owner of Dewar Realty, and this is my latest series, Renovation Allocation, where I'll be diving deep into the renovation process, as well as sharing real-world strategies behind the renos that we complete here on the show. I've done hundreds of home renovations, and I want to share that expertise and knowledge with you so that by the end of this series, you'll know firsthand how a renovation project, big or small, can dramatically improve the value and appeal of your home. Throughout this series, I'll show you what every step of a renovation looks like behind the scenes, from the demolition stages right through to the finished product, so that you can see exactly what's involved in the process before deciding if a renovation is right for you. Every home is different, so my goal here is to show you the reality behind choosing to renovate your space. I'll provide you with the tools you need to effectively allocate your renovation priorities for more lucrative results. Expect to see loads of progress videos, new Pinterest-worthy spaces, and me demolishing a wall or two along the way. Basically, we're gonna have a lot of fun here. I can't wait to take you into my world of building unglamorous sweat equity and showing you finished renovations that will have you making a budget and dreaming up plans for your own home. Thanks for joining me today. Look out for our next episode of Renovation Allocation, where we start a $25,000 reno project that will increase the value of the home by at least $50,000. We'll be turning this homeowner's small, closed-off kitchen into an open concept space, starting with the demolition. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new episode, and tune in next week to see me tear down an entire wall and kitchen in one afternoon.